In this video, we're going to learn how to subtract integers without adding the opposite. If you need some help with integers in general, please check out my Adding Integers video. All right, so we're going to compare and contrast a couple problems here. I'm going to take -4 plus -3, and I'm going to compare that with -4 minus 3. Well, in both problems, I'm going to start at -4 on my number line. In my first problem, if I'm adding -3, that -3 is going to ask me or cause me to go to the left 3 spaces. I'm going to end up at -7. In my second problem, I'm starting with -4, so I'll start there as well. That -3 is also causing me to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, and I also land at -7. So we can see that -4 plus -3 and -4 minus 3 are really the same problems. They both give us an answer of -7. So one thing that we can do in this case is to circle the numbers and the operation closest to it. So I would circle the 4 and the negative and the 3 and the minus. When I look at it that way, it becomes same signs. So same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. I'm circling the operation or the sign closest to it. So I have -6 minus 2 is the same as -6 and -2. So I have same signs, add, 6 plus 2 is 8, and keep. I'm going to circle my numbers. Again, the operation or sign closest to it. So if I look at what's in that circle, I see a +2 and I see a -8. Remember, subtraction and negative really act the same in these addition or subtraction problems. So I have different signs. 8 minus 2 is 6. I'm going to keep the sign in the more powerful number. In this case, that's the negative. That's going to give me a -6. And this one, whew, I got that 0. I'm going to circle it and the -8. Well, 8 minus 0 is 8. There are more negatives because that 8, so I'm going to end up with -8. And in my last one, I have -5 minus 7. When I look at what's in those circles, I have same signs, add and keep. So I'm going to add 5 plus 7, that's going to give me 12, and I'm going to keep that sign. What did -5 say to 7? Stop taking things away from me.